This is second grade GoMath, Chapter 6, Mid-Chapter Checkpoint. Problem number 1. Break apart the add-ins to find the sum. The add-ins are 567 plus and 324. The sum would be our answer. We're going to decompose or break apart 567 into its place value. So we have 5 hundreds for 500, 6 tens is 60, 7 ones is 7. 324 is 3 hundreds, and 300, 2 tens, which is 20, and 4 ones, which is 4. Now we're going to add each of those. 5 hundreds and 3 hundreds is 8 hundreds. 6 tens and 2 tens is 8 tens, or 80. 7 plus 4 is 11. When we add these together, we have 880. There's another 10 that makes 890, and 1. 891 is the sum. The next set of problems, we are going to find the sum. Our add-ins are listed here, and we're going to use the standard algorithm. So we have 8 ones and 6 ones, which is 14 ones. So we need to regroup because we can only put one digit there. And we're going to regroup that 10 to the tens. So we have 4 and 4, which is double, plus 1 is 9. And then 2 and 3 is 5. So we just had to regroup the ones. This next problem, we have 7 ones and 4 ones, which is 11 ones. So we have a 10 to regroup. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 more 10 is 10 tens. Regroup to the hundred, so we're regrouping twice in this problem. And 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. Problem number 4, we have 1 and 7 ones, which is 8. 9 tens and 3 tens is 12 tens, so we regroup the 1 hundred to the hundreds column, and then 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. 928 is the sum. Our problem solving, think smarter. There are 148 small sand dollars and 119 large sand dollars on the beach. How many sand dollars are on the beach? So we can solve this using the standard algorithm. You could solve it using the break apart or decomposing strategy, or you could draw a picture. Whatever works for you is what you should do. I'm going to use the standard algorithm. 8 and 9 ones is 17 ones, so I have a 10 to regroup. 4 plus 1 is 6. Do not need to regroup. And 100 plus 100 is 200. So 267 sand dollars. This is second grade GoMath mid-chapter review.